Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Dorahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about some favorite unboxing for you guys. And I never just made some posts for you guys to suggest which kind of tech would you like for me to just unbox, but this is what I got in town. So I think to my own kind of aspect, if we start for one by one unboxing it, I think it's gonna be great. So for further info, let me just get my knife, then let us just start unboxing. So I got the classic car. It's called the classic car. I think to my own kind of aspect, this is so good. Okay, let me just, can I just peel off here? Let's just do this way. Boom, we have it here out. Then let me just remove it. And so I'm just excited to see this. So this is our Lamborghini. It's looking like a, no, this is a Ferrari. This is a Ferrari which looks amazing. As you take it, just check it out how it looks like. Dang, that looks good, right? Now I just fell in love with this car. Since it's gonna stay on our arsenal, we got screws on the box, which really surprisingly, it's something which is so amazing, having screws on the box, which I think to my own kind of aspect, it's an incredible stuff. Screws on the box is to keep it safety, I guess so. So here we have it. Let me just get some battery option there. Hope there's a battery already. I hope there's a button, you press it, because it says on the box, it says we have open, the open, it's there. We have light, we have sound. So I guess if there is no battery, well, it's much better though. So there's no any button here, I think so. There's no any button to press or something. Or perhaps when you raise up this doors. So the doors, they're up, which this reminds me when I was a kid. When I was so young. Yes. Our dream car, Ferrari. So let me just keep my Ferrari aside. Secondly, which I think to my own kind of aspect is gonna be great, it's some USB OTG. Now I got this USB OTG because of one thing. I thought that when I buy this gamepad here, you see, it's gonna workflow with this better. So let us just unbox it. Just simple, just peel it off. I like this way. Just test out the, whoa, this is like metal something. It looks premium. This is the first OTG I'm seeing it looking so premium, so minimal. To my own kind of aspect, I think this is the way to go, and it's so fantastic. Let us just keep it aside. I got an extra OTG cable. I can use all of them definitely, so I'm giving away this one. If some of you guys would like, you can comment down below and make sure that you follow me on my Instagram account, and I'm going to just announce the winner in a couple of weeks. So yeah, so definitely you should just consider getting an OTG. It's a metal OTG which gives you a lot of stuff. So I mean, you can get your charging time throughout 30 minutes up to 1 hour depending on your phone type, how it charges, but guaranteed on Loneo how they provide their own kind of charging and the USB. They're very impressive, which is quite great. As you can see, this is the USB, which I think to my own kind of aspect, this is so good. Let us just keep it aside. Another kind of stuff, this is the most interesting thing which I ever wanted, is this header. This header has some port here, looks like greenish. I hope some of you guys can see that. It looks like USB 3 or something, or USB 4 or something. Is there USB 4? It's looking some next level stuff. So I think to my own kind of aspect, Loneo just nailed it to some kind of perspective throughout the charging scheme, and we give it just go. So you should just try it out. You should just, all the links, I'll leave them down below in the description. But I got them at Borry, Borry phone. He sells a good product, and I'll leave his contact down below so as you can contact him, and he can give you direction throughout his store. He got a lot of good gadgets. I think this is the first time we're talking about it. Now, if we are talking about it, this is the iPega gamepad, which gives you 3 combination controls. First of all, it's supposed for the iOS. Secondly, it's supposed for Android. Thirdly, it's supposed for Windows. Supposed for PlayStation. Supposed for any ecosystem throughout your gaming arsenal. This bad boy here is the way to go. Now, for further info, let me just open it up. it was peeled at the moment I'm purchasing it. I don't know why they did it, peel it, or because they wanted to confirm. I can see a USB. This looks not that much premium, but looks not bad. Looks good to my own kind of aspect. Another kind of stuff, we got some paperwork. Keep it down. Another kind of stuff, we got another paperwork, which is great. I like this case. I like this tiny case they showed us on the page of their product, I guess so they have different types of whoa, this is nice. So I think I'll order one of them on AliExpress, so we're gonna drop an order. This is so nice. They got different flavor on the gaming arsenal, so I hope some of you guys can check it out. You can see how it looks like. It looks so interesting. So jumping out to the iPegger, this is the bad boy here which we have. So we can play PUBG on this bad boy. Let me just open it. You can see it's so tied up on opening it. It's not like usually a normal gamepad. This is nice packaging. I like this. I like this new kind of scheme which they just implemented. I think to my own kind of aspect, these are like stickers. That looks nice. So another kind of stuff, you can see, damn, this gamepad is sweet. First of all, it has some rubber which you can use your hand whenever you get tired, the grip and stuff. You get your phone there. You can just implement your phone, play that PUBG or Fortnite, or you can play any game you like. Another kind of stuff, get a tiny USB. Now this one is so important because if you just dock it on your PlayStation or your PC, you can play all the game throughout your PC wirelessly. But that's not it. You can use even Bluetooth. So if you lose it, no problem. You can use Bluetooth out here and it looks good. At the controller, we got a lot of stuff. We got the analog, we got the buttons, we got the A and we got the X, Y, and B. We got the R2, L2. It's called B and T, which is quite great. We got the home button, we got the Android, we got the iOS. It started, as you can see, it's blinking. That means I just triggered something, but it's not a bomb. So yeah, so this is so impressive. I think to my own kind of aspect, iPegger did a great job designing these gamepads to a next level thing, because they understood how much you guys get a hassle whenever you're playing a certain game on your smartphone. This is most important thing to take care of. So I think to my own kind of aspect, this is our unboxing. I think you guys enjoyed it, and leave a comments down below if you'd like me to just do a next level thing, another next level thing, so some of you guys, you can just get the techie ASAP. So thank you guys for watching, and if you love this video today, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Abdulrahim112. Make sure you consider subscribing. It would be so amazing, because this is how we can move. This is how we roll. This is how it goes. So I'm so pumped. I'm so excited for you guys, for your support since day one we started our channel, and I just can't thank you enough. But the only main thing which I can thank you is thank you, and be blessed, stay blessed, and peace. Catch you guys on the next one, as well as stay sharp and creative. I love you guys. You are amazing. Peace.